second morning of youth season. We're able to get out here. We had Bub had baseball yesterday, but we got some turkeys talking to us from the roost. It's real windy, so they're not gobbling a whole lot. Right now it sounds like they've possibly flown down and they're down in the bottom. We're up on top of a ridge though with a big clearing. So hopefully they're gonna come check us out. I'm normally not patient and I go chasing them, but we got a blind, so I'm gonna try and play hard to get, keep quiet. Surely by 10:30, 11, they'll have to come up here and see what this hen was yapping about. Don't shoot him out here. Let him get out here. There he comes. Why is he coming? How did he not see that decoy? Don't move. He's not gonna come in. He didn't see the decoy. He's coming back, buddy. He's coming. Stay still. Be patient. He coming. Wait till he gets out in the open. When he gets out in the open and put this fan down, shoot him. Don't put your finger on the trigger till you're ready. As soon as he steps out in the open, you wait till I tell you. Okay? When he puts his fan down, you shoot. Whenever you're ready, shoot him right now, right at the base of his neck. Yeah, at the base of his neck. Good job, buddy. You smoked him. You smoked him. You smoked him, buddy. Good job, buddy. You freaking smoked him, dude. Give me some. Oh my god. That's amazing.
He's done.
He smoked him. He freaking smoked him. He came across the trail and we didn't think he was going to come back. He didn't see the decoy and he came across the trail and he finally saw it and he stayed fanned up all the way to the decoy. And I told Bub to wait till he put his fan down to shoot him. And he was just right here, 10 yards at the decoy. And I was like, shoot him, screw it. Oh, that was so freaking awesome, Branson. I'm so proud of you, buddy. Oh, look at that. Big old gobbler. Big old public land gobbler for Branson's first bird. Great job, buddy. Love you. Proud of you.